Hi guys, welcome back. So Joe isn't around today. He's at work still, and he had ordered us a air fryer from Home Depot. It's the deal of the day, so we were pretty excited about it, wanted to get it out there. And since he can't be here to do the unboxing, I thought I'd do it for him. So first time doing this, so if I don't get it right, forgive me. So what do we have here? It's an Aria digital ceramic air fryer. Never used an air fryer before, but been bugging him to get us one, and he was trying to find the right one. Like I said, it was the deal of the day at Home Depot, so he got it for a really good price. And let me pull it out of the box, and then we can see what's going on there. Be right back. So here's the box. Like I said, it's an Aria digital ceramic air fryer. Preheats 10 times faster. It has a lifetime warranty on it. 7-quart, 1700 watts. It's Teflon free, PTFE free, PFOA free. Let's see all the things we can do with it, I guess. Let me open it up. I'm gonna open it up, and then I will kind of go over everything with you. Then I'm gonna probably wash it up and make some fries up with it tonight. Be right back again. All right, here it is out of the box. It did have another bit of plastic on it, and then it's got this on there. Get it off. All right. So not quite sure, like I said, I've never used one before. It's got some tape on the side. This would help if I remove that. Same thing on this side. Let's see, pull it open. Put it back just a touch. I guess it came with, it's really got a lot of space in it. It came with a few attachments, it looks like. Like a little tiny cake pan. A little rack, probably, like if you're gonna do chicken or something like that. And it does come with a user's guide, so that's gonna be interesting. Well, it's got a dial on there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash it, get the potatoes prepared. I think I'm gonna do frozen French fries for our first time. So let's just see what I come up with. I'll be back. Hopefully by then my husband will be here and he can finish up the video for you guys. Thanks. Sorry guys. So it actually has a user guide and a recipe book. And from what I can see, quite a few recipes in here. Sumac chicken. Wow, so it's a little interesting. Can hardly wait to try all this. I don't know if I'll try all the recipes in here, but I definitely will be trying a bunch of recipes. Be right back. So I wanted to show you a little something. This is the back side of it, which I don't know if you can really see it, but I guess that way you can. And it has a place where you can just wrap the cord around it when you're done. And it's got a fairly long cord, which is pretty awesome. All right, so I put the fries in. It says to put it on an even later. It's in. I've got it set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. and heat for 6 minutes. Let's see if I can figure that part out. Yep, that's pretty simple. And it has started.